Hello guys. Today I will show you a Call of Duty CP Coins glitch for all devices. You're going to pretty much be able to get everything on the CP Coins shop without paying. So you can just follow my steps.
I'm not thinking about the way you keep my world from spinning. I'm just thinking about your eyes.
First, go to this website, getvgame.com. Then search for Call of Duty CP Coins. This is the tool that we are using to get the CP Coins for $0. So, we will type our username or game ID. Then we will select our device. For me, I have an Android. Then click continue. Now we will choose the amount we want to get on our account. I will choose 5650 CP. So it says that we have to unlock our CP Coins manually, so click unlock now. And it's gonna say that we're gonna have to complete 2 of these offers to get our Call of Duty CP Coins. So we have to complete these 2 offers.
I'm not thinking about how long it's gonna take now. I'm just thinking about our lives. You and me just laying blankets on a beach, and then at night I'll sing your favorite lullaby.
After I complete the offers, it says open your game and check the CP Coins as you can see. So I will open the game. So guys, as you can see, I've got my free 5650 CP Coins. Just make sure to follow all these steps. So guys, don't forget to subscribe and to like the video. Peace out.